The Dow extends its win streak, Fed minutes reveal a little uncertainty, and home sales weaken again.
Emotion has no place in your investments, so how do you know what news actually matters? Hi, I'm Eric, and in the next few minutes, we're going to forget the headlines and focus on the facts. Here's what really happened last week.
Stocks rallied last week as optimism about a potential U.S.-China trade deal grew. The S&P 500 advanced 0.8% for the week to 2792. The Nasdaq Composite improved 0.86% to 7527, and the Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 0.64% to 26,031. The renewed prospects for a trade pact were not the only development investors found appealing last week. There were indications that the Federal Reserve might be a bit less committed to its plans to raise interest rates further this year. There were no surprises from the Federal Reserve's Board of Governors, who released the transcript from their January meeting on Tuesday. Investors pore over the meeting minutes looking for clues about the Fed's next move on short-term interest rates. Fed policymakers appeared split on what might come next. Some felt another rate hike was needed to help slow the strong economy, while others favored more of a wait-and-see type approach. In January, existing home sales were at their slowest pace since November of 2015 and down 8.5% year over year. One factor, rising home values. Last month, the median single-family home sale price was $247,500, almost $7,000 higher than just a year ago. Mortgage rates have now fallen for 3 consecutive weeks, a development that may influence home buying decisions in the coming months. Thursday, a Freddie Mac survey found that the average interest rate on a 30-year fixed-rate loan was just 4.35%. All right, looking ahead at some key economic data that is scheduled to be released this week. Tuesday, tomorrow, Fed Chair Jerome Powell begins 2 days of testimony on monetary policy in the Senate. On Wednesday, the National Association of Realtors releases its latest pending home sales index. And on Thursday, the federal government provides its first estimate of fourth quarter economic growth. One final thought, the Dow Jones and Nasdaq have posted gains for 9 straight weeks and are now at levels unseen since early November. Concerns over volatility have decreased, but that does not mean that it is off the table. Whatever the market does in the coming weeks and months, remember, your investing strategy should be based on your goals, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagen.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.